Hey everybody, so here I am at another RV park and I want to show you a product that was sent to me by SnapPad. I know a lot of you know that I have the SnapPads. I'll show them to you here, right there, all the way around my rig. But they sent me something new. So even though we have the SnapPads from time to time, we still need to level things off because if you're on uneven land and things like that. And we have to use these kinds of blocks. Well, I'm going to use those today because we are, as you can see, going to be going down on dirt. And I'll use a couple of these blocks, but the new product they sent me was a pad. See the little cutouts that fits on these blocks. And if you don't have the SnapPads, this helps keep your steel things from sliding around. But I have also found that even my SnapPads slide around on these blocks a little bit. Not a lot, but a little bit. So I thought, well, these should be perfect. Put these on the blocks and SnapPad rides just right on top of this. They're never going to slide. So let's give that a try. But all you do is you slide this right on top of that. Now on this side, it's angled a little bit, so I'm going to use 5 pads. And then we're just going to put the SnapPad on top of this. And let's go ahead and level this off. And that looks like it's going to work really, really well. I've got 4 more to set up, but let's go ahead and disconnect the truck first, and then we'll get that done, and I'll be right back. Okay, have the new pads down on the blocks all the way around. Let's go ahead and hit auto level. And we're level. You guys are gonna laugh at this because I'm laughing right now. Disconnected the truck, got it all level, and then came around and just noticed something. We are on a concrete pad here, which is also nice, but the rig's not on a concrete pad. The rig is on the ground. And you'll notice it's about 4 inches below the tires. Look at my stairs. I cannot close the door. The stairs have to come down. So, I gotta connect the truck back up, take the levelers off, obviously, and reconnect and either move to another spot or see if I can't back this up onto my remaining blocks, which I don't have that many, to see if I can't get this side higher to use the stairs. So after an hour and a half of messing around with blocks, it was just too low from the concrete. As you can see, I had to change sites. I called and said that's not going to work, so no concrete pad here. But that's okay. We don't need to be that foo-foo. Okay everybody, so as you see, I had to change locations here at the RV park. However, we're all set now, all plugged in and set up. However, I'm having a little bit of a power issue. I called them, maintenance came by, and they agreed with my assessment that something's wrong with the power pole. So in a few days, they're going to have somebody come check it out. My guess is they're going to have to change the outlets and do something else because we're just not getting the power at this pedestal that we need. So tomorrow is Cyber Monday. And so to help you guys out for your Christmas buying or Christmas ideas, I'm going to put a few things up here that has been sent to me by a few of the product partners that I have worked with over the last couple of years. and they've provided some big discounts. So if you guys are interested in any of these things, go ahead and click the links or these QR codes you're going to see here in a minute that are going to pop up on the screen, because I know about 60-70% of you watch this on your televisions. So click those links, it'll give you some big discounts for a lot of these items. So at the end of this video, you're going to see all of the little coupon codes and QR codes pop up of all the different products. So it'll just be kind of a slideshow, if you will, of all the different things. So if you have any questions about that, don't forget to leave a comment below, and I will respond as soon as possible and help you guys get all those discounts. And so if you have some friends in the RV world that would benefit from some of this stuff, or maybe even not some of them in the RV world, or maybe you want to buy them for yourself because they're big discounts. So just go ahead and click these links and they will take you right to the site, and you can go ahead and take advantage of those discounts. Now, keep in mind, it's only good for Cyber Monday. So if you go beyond that, you lose. It will work today too. I know the discounts apply today if you want to do it tonight while you're watching this video. Well, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to do all those things and be the Click Monster, and hit that little like, subscribe, and ring that little bell to notify you when I'm putting out another video. I want to thank you all for tuning in and make it a great bucket list day. Take care. Goodbye.